thickened body cover, pen technique. High pressure and temperature resistance. Fast heat dissipation can continue work. Built-in 110, 220 volt converter. 1 unit power capable for 110 and 220 outlet of car battery. LED thermometer can be displayed after power on. External takeaway. Carbon oil water separator. Effectively separate oil and water. Built-in oil water separation system. Automatically remove dirty. Automatic shutdown, convenient. Large pressure gauge, preset pressure. Super fan, high speed, 12,500 revolution per minute, effectively displayed. There are two bleed values, one for high pressure, one for lower pressure. Have brass valve, safety granted. Now, let us show you how to use the air compressor. Turn on the car power and let the car engine working. Connect the wire with the machine. And then connect the high pressure hose to the machine. Install the test plug on the hose. We clip the black clip to the negative terminal of the car battery. Immediately, we connect the red clip to the positive terminal of the battery. Turn on the fan switch. The color of the switch is red color. Then turn on the white switch of the air compressor and the machine will start working. Close the pressure relief screw to allow the machine to inflate. Under the preset stop pressure, we can see that the compressor can quickly reach the 200 bar. This time only 15 seconds passed.